G'day guys, very quick video on the rock covers on the ej25. It's not about how to do the job, but it's just basically about the main risk of knocking off the bottom corner of this gasket. So also to highlight, if you're doing it at home, what's involved in a workshop scenario, which you can do it at home with a jack. So where are we? Jeez. Okay, so here in this water. Yeah. Okay, so in the cylinder head, there's bits and pieces that will want to knock that gasket off. Even that earth lead you can see, I've disconnected off the chassis rail, but that actually disturbed the gasket a bit. Now, the gasket, you can put a bit of contact spray or tiny drop of RTV on the inside of the gasket. It's got ridges on it to hold it in place. Obviously, the bore seals you have to ensure are in place, but this driver's side, you put in from the top. The installation and disassembly from the top. Right? This is from the bottom. Okay, now what I want to show you here, by lifting the engine from the exhaust gently over there to this position. Okay, one sec. Okay. All right. Got no time at all. Hi, Tony. By lifting the engine gently from the exhaust here. Okay, so what you do, you put this cover in up here and you're going to bring it down that way. Disconnect the AC pressure switch up there. And this connector up here is in the way a bit, but you put it in that way, put it on, lift the engine up. Okay. See? There's the ridge. And it will go in quite well like that. Okay? It's not about what to disassemble on the top, but just what's involved and the safety risk and the risk of cracking that if you're going to bring the jack down in a certain position with the mechanisms inside, you will crack the cover, or if the jack sinks, okay, and if your hands are there, you will be in serious shit. So it's more about that balancing act. This will not go on easily if you jack it up from there. Okay, you might want to put stuff to sandpaper on here to grip, because these can fly out, but not really with the ridge here. And you know, it doesn't take much to lift this engine. Okay, and once that mount, which you obviously loosen, okay, this engine, this side of the engine has the leverage, this side is less so. Okay, see it? Hold up. Anyway, running out of time, but that's the way you do it. Obviously, when you disassemble it, there's the reverse of that. So this one I took out from here. That one, when I disassembled it, I pushed it back. Disconnect the battery too, because as this cover comes up, you can actually short out. If you're unlucky enough, you would short out. Okay, good luck.